Hey everybody, it's Sadie, cooking on budget. I'm gonna do a review on Aldi's Friendly Farms sour cream. I don't know how much they charge for this. I got it at a neighborhood mom and pop store a couple of weeks ago, so I don't know how much they charge at Aldi's for it. This is how much of it I've got left of it. So I've pretty much polished it off. It's pretty good sour cream. Using any recipes that you're using, it calls for sour cream in it. Tacos, casseroles, whatever you got cooking, Mexican food, whatever you need it for. It's got a good, nice, creamy taste to it. Like I said, I've gone through pretty much the whole thing. I bought it a couple of weeks ago. I go through one of these just about every couple, 2 or 3 weeks. I go through a container of sour cream. Not bad. That's pretty good. Like I said, for whatever you need your sour cream for. And it's probably a lot cheaper than what you want to pay for name brand product, name brand sour creams. Says, let's see what's on there. Yeah, it's pretty good sour cream. Please like and share my videos and subscribe to my channel. This is Aldi's Friendly Farms sour cream. And have a good day. Thank you. All right.